Hi everyone, and welcome to the walk around video here at YNC Car. As always, we are going to begin with showing you around the exterior of the car. I'm also going to talk to you about major talking points and features of both interior and exterior on this lovely 435D M Sport Gran Coupe. Presented in the black sapphire metallic, and alongside that we've also fitted a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit to the car. Included in that are the 20-inch 405 M style alloys that are all brand new with brand new tyres. At the front of the car, you'll see it's a 2016 16 plate. It does also have the H-light and Xenon headlamps. At the side of the vehicle, you'll see the gloss black air breathers and our gloss black sidebars. Sitting behind those very nice alloys, you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes, and of course this does mean on this particular car we've got the full BMW M Sport Plus package. So included in that, on the outside of the car, we also get the sun protection glazing, as you can see there. The interior for the car is the black Dakota leather, which comes in the front with the electric movement, memory for driver's side, along with the heated seat option as well. You'll see there everything is exceptionally clean and tidy. Being that we are showing you around a 435D, it does also include the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and of course that superb intelligent X-Drive 4-wheel drive system. Rear seats does compose of a 3-seat Isofix rear bench, a centre folding armrest, and again that lovely darkened M Sport headlining. At the back of the car, we've also added a gloss black rear boot spoiler and a matching rear diffuser, and as you can see there. However, owing to the fact, of course, as I've mentioned, we've got that X-Drive 4-wheel drive system, it does not take anything away from our large boot area. Alongside, it does not take anything away from your rear passenger compartment either. You can make that boot space even bigger because you can take out both the bottom and top partial shelves along with split folding seats. At the other side of the car, we can show to you that the black sapphire metallic really does work nicely with all of the additions we've made here, alongside those very striking alloy wheels. Moving on, we're going to go ahead and talk you through some of the interior features in a bit more detail by going ahead and taking a seat inside the car. First of all, we are greeted by the professional wide navigation and media screen, and we'll also start the car up and just run you through a couple of the features of that. First of all, the satellite navigation, which keeps you on the right course and of course keeping you up to date using real-time traffic updates. We've got Bluetooth, telephone and audio, along with a wide array of multimedia inputs using DAB, music collection, AUX and USB inputs, and of course I've already mentioned the fact we do have Bluetooth audio as well. Down here is where we find the dual climate controls, along with our switches for the heated seats. If I go back into the very main menu, I can go across and have a look at the service requirements and service history for the car. The next service for the vehicle is not due for 10,000 miles. And up at the top at service history, we've got full BMW service history, as this car has only covered just over 36,000 miles. Sitting on our very nice multifunction M Sport steering wheel, you'll see the cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, along with the flappy pedals for that tremendous 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. So there is just a quick look around at the 435D M Sport Gran Coupe, presented in the black sapphire metallic here at YNC Car. Hopefully you've enjoyed this walk around video and of course been able to find it useful. Further information can be of course found upon our website, which I will of course always leave linked in the description, alongside contact details for ourselves here at YNC Car. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video, and hopefully you will see yourself soon. Thank you, goodbye.